What's up, everybody? My name is TheJ Jordan, and today is June the 14th of June. And when I was out of town to get ready for the Spartan, I decided to go and order some. I'm trying to see if I can order something from Campbell because I know I do most of my thumbnails from Campbell. And I said, you know what? Let me see if I could get a shirt. I think this is a shirt, but I got a package from Campbell. I thought it was supposed to be here later, but it came. I guess it came a little bit earlier. So we're gonna see what it is and let you know what it's about. Hopefully it's the right what I think it is. Let's see. Like I was gonna open it earlier, but I said, you know what? I'm just gonna do it so y'all can see what I see for the first time. But I did order this from Campbell. The unboxing. Look at this, y'all. I see you looking. I see you looking. And you know what? So let me load this down a little bit. You see this? I got the I see you looking. And the difference between this one and the other one, I also have it on the back. When I did it through when I did this through the other app that do shirts, Spread Shop, I think it's Spread Shop. I couldn't put nothing on the back, but through Canva, I could put the same thing on the back. So I have blue, I have gray. Oh, I see you looking. I see you looking. I might have to change out before my workout today. I see you looking. And I also have red. I see you looking, player. I see you looking. Oh, it's about to go down. I like the fact that I was able, they do have the Campbell thing to let you know where you got it from. And the only difference between Campbell and Spread Shop is maybe like 2 cents. For the price from when I ordered it last time, it's probably like 2 cents. But the difference between the 2 cents, I believe, is that I'm able to put stuff on the back of my shirt. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So it said cool hiring, 2 hanging stars here. All right. I think that say hanging. I can't read that letters. And it says certification of appreciation. I like this box. Even though they said it's gonna take it, I took the long time to get here, but I got it a little bit faster. So I definitely appreciate it. So matter of fact, you know, y'all gonna see this video later. So let's go put on a I see you looking shirt. So we rocking the gray. Why not rock the gray? You know what I mean? Rock the gray with the new shirt. Rock the gray with the new shirt. So I see y'all looking. Oh yeah, look at that. I got this as I have mine as a large. Fit perfect for me. Perfect. Oh yeah. So with that being said, let me move them. We got it in. Got it in, play. I see you looking. And then there's also some in the back. And then the good thing is if you scan the QR code, it should bring you to my YouTube channel. One of them is my YouTube channel and the other one is my Linktree. My Linktree have all my other channels that I have on social media. That's what I have it for. But with that being said, thank y'all for checking out my unboxing. And whatever you do stuff at your own pace, own moderation. Make sure you stretch, drink water, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And you know your boy gotta try to add some more stuff to the medal collection. So with that being said, remember, like I always say, fitness is key. Peace and hair grease. Ooh wee. Yeah.